Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today, we're going on an adventure to discover one of the most fascinating insects out there, the devil's flower, Mantis. This incredible creature is a master of disguise and deception, and its story will take us into the intricate web of ecological relationships that shape our planet. So, what exactly is the devil's flower, Mantis? In simple terms, it's a species of praying mantis that has evolved to look like a flower or a leaf. Its body is shaped like a petal, with colors and patterns that perfectly mimic those of its surroundings. This amazing camouflage allows the devil's flower mantis to sneak up on its prey, usually other insects, and snatch them with its spiky forelegs. But why is this insect so significant in the natural world? Well, the devil's flower Mantis plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. As a predator, it helps control populations of other insects that might otherwise become pests. For example, studies have shown that the devil's flower mantis preys on aphids and whiteflies, which can damage crops like cotton and tobacco. The evolutionary history of the devil's flower mantis is also fascinating. Fossil records show that mantises have been around for over 140 million years, with some species evolving to mimic flowers as far back as the Cretaceous period. The first scientific documentation of the devil's flower mantis dates back to the late 19th century, when it was discovered in the tropical forests of Asia. From a scientific perspective, the devil's flower mantis belongs to the family Hymenopodidae, and is classified as a member of the order Mantodea. Its habitat ranges from tropical rainforests to dry deserts, where it can be found on flowers, leaves, or even tree bark. Researchers like Dr. Gavin Svensson, an entomologist at the Cleveland Museum of Natural History, have contributed significantly to our understanding of mantis biology and ecology. One of the most interesting research findings about the devil's flower mantis is its unique way of communicating with other mantises. Scientists have discovered that these insects use a complex system of chemical signals, including pheromones, to attract mates or warn off rivals. For example, male devil's flower mantises will release specific chemicals to signal their presence to females, which can then choose the most suitable mate based on factors like size and strength. In terms of ecological relationships, the devil's flower mantis is both a predator and a prey species. It feeds on other insects, but it's also an important food source for birds, spiders, and other predators. In some ecosystems, the devil's flower mantis has even formed symbiotic relationships with certain flowers, which provide it with nectar in exchange for protection from herbivores. Unfortunately, like many species, the devil's flower mantis faces environmental challenges, such as habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution. These threats not only affect the mantis itself, but also the delicate balance of its ecosystem. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this incredible insect and its habitats, including the creation of protected areas and sustainable forest management practices. As we conclude our exploration of the devil's flower mantis, it's clear that this amazing insect offers us a window into the intricate world of ecological adaptations. Its story teaches us about the importance of mimicry, predator-prey dynamics, and the resilience of life in the face of adversity. By studying the devil's flower mantis, we can gain insights into the complex relationships between species and their environments, which is essential for developing effective conservation strategies. In fact, researchers have been inspired by the devil's flower mantis to develop new technologies and strategies for controlling pest populations. For example, scientists have used the mantis's mimicry strategy as a model for creating more effective traps for invasive species like the emerald ash borer. As I always say, the natural world is full of surprises and wonders waiting to be discovered. The devil's flower mantis is just one example of the incredible diversity of life on our planet, and it reminds us of the importance of preserving and protecting this diversity for future generations. So, let's continue to explore, learn, and appreciate the amazing world around us. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.